live, so let's go live. I think, yeah, so I'm live now. So we are live now. So 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 hello everyone. So let's begin today's lecture with beautiful startings. So we have covered first chapter of our NEET, that is basic mathematics. So now today we are going to study kinematics, our second chapter, as it in the title part is also written. And from this you will we also knowing that we are going to start a new chapter, kinematics. So let's begin the video. I think there is an error. Yeah. So let's come to today's goal. What is our today's goal? We will cover average speed and average velocity. Our first topic will be this. Instantaneous velocity and acceleration, second topic. And third topic will be equation of motion of uniform acceleration. Guys, the third topic, equation of motion for uniform acceleration, will be the first part is today, and rest part will be on that another day. So don't be thinking that this much. So I will be there. It is a very good video. uh, Yesterday I put this video also. So before wasting time, without wasting time, let's begin the video. So let's start. So now, first, before starting, we should know what is distance and displacement, because everything, average speed, average velocity is based on distance and displacement. So, guys, wait a minute. Guys, a little problem is occurring with me. Speed is very low, I think. Speed is low, isn't it? I think the speed is low. Okay, now. Okay, guys. So, if the stream is low, please tell me. So let's start with our distance and displacement. So let's come with the first thing. So this is the if you have given a circle, see, you have given a circle and you are told to find this distance and displacement, the shortest path, then what you will do. So let me tell you what you will do. So as in the last chapter I have told you, if you have a circle, we have circle today. We have circles today, so no need to take no no need to be fear. If you have a circle and if you have this quadrant, it is quadrant, and then the value of L was, what will be the value of theta? Here this angle is theta, but we are knowing presently it is 90 degree, so we can write it as pi by 2. Yeah, pi by 2 it can be written. Yeah, na, because 90 degree is pi by 2 in radius, because yesterday I also told you that everything is in radians, so theta will be pi by 2, pi by 2. Then to find L, we know theta is equal to L by R. So pi by 2 L by R. Now, what will be the L? L will be pi by 2R. So L will be the pi by 2R. What will be the L? Pi by 2R. So we have find the distance. Now come to the displacement part. Displacement is nothing but 2R sine theta, where theta is in radians. Remember this, theta by 2. So this is displacement and this is distance. So I am making the arrows distance and this is displacement. So you have to use this formula, and it is the formula, both are the formulas. Okay, So let me erase this all the wasting material. Wasting not, we have just find the answers of this question. Not answers, we can say we have prove it. But what if the theta is not given to us 90 degree? Then what we will do? Let I will tell you what to do. So let me tell you the formula of distance. What is distance? Distance will be, distance will be theta is where it is in radians, L by R. And what will be your displacement for it? What will be your displacement? 2r, 2r, sorry, it is in, I'm making it by 2r sine theta, where theta is in radians by 2. So I'm writing here theta is in the form of radians. Okay, radians I have told you in the last video. Okay, sorry for the wrong spelling of radians. Where theta is in radians. So now let's come to the next part. Now, yeah. So now if we have given theta only, yeah, we have given theta only. Now what you will do? The same formula theta is in radians. So yeah, what is this? Sorry guys, something happened. So let me once more play this. It cannot discard it. Discard. Let me discard it. Okay, guys. So once more, I will write the formulas. As one more, I will write the formula. So yeah, so here I will write the formula. Let me write it here. I have a pen. So distance I am writing in D. That is, what is that? It is L by R. What is happening today? Sorry guys for that. Today my thing is not working properly. From tomorrow itself it stopped working, but somehow I managed yesterday. Theta is equal to L by R. Now displacement is equal to displacement is equal to, sorry guys for speaking, there was an error, so sorry for that. uh, Guys, may you please wait a minute? I'm disabling something. A small break will be there. So guys, sorry for that disturbance. I came back. I was just setting up something. So because there was a Wi-Fi connection, I am able to know here. So no problem for that. So let's begin from our side only. Yeah. So this was we are writing here. And now let's talk about displacement. Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible to you people? Please tell me in the chat box. Displacement is equal to, what is displacement? What is displacement? 2r sine theta by 2, where theta is in the form of, where theta is in the form of radians. What is in the form of radians? So theta is in the form of radians. So let's come to the further slide. What is that? So now let's come to this part. Now if they ask about theta, theta will be L by R. In the previous slide I have told you, and displacement is will be 2r sine theta by 2. Nothing. Now let's have some example. So first example is here. So how to solve it? I have told you in the last slide. Yeah. So L by R. What is the length here? L by R. Theta is L by R. So pi by, what will be pi by? 2 is equal to, what will be equal to? L. L we have to find. R we have given nothing. So we will find L is equal to pi R by 2. Now by finding displacement, so 2 R sine theta means pi by 2. Sine 90. Sine 90 is, what will be sine 90? Sine 90? Sine 90? Theta. Sine 90. Now guys, a little mistake we have done in the last slide. I am thinking that here theta is only radians for this, not for this. Okay, remember that. Theta here is means theta only, the angle. Hope you have also understood. I was just talking about this theta. Okay. So guys, 2r pi, so it will be 1 by 2. 2 cancel, that will be, sorry, sine 90 is not there, so here displacement will be r. Here displacement will be r. Are easy, r square, simply it is visible, no problem. Now this one will be also easy for you. Now the displacement will be something else. Now what will be displacement, let me tell you. Then it will be pi 60 can be written as, what it can be written, pi by 3. So pi by, it will be r pi by 3 is equal to L. And what will be the displacement? Displacement will be what? 2r sine 60. Sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. So 2r 2r root 3 by 2 into 2. 2 cancel, root 3. So r root 3 by 2 is your answer. So guys, now let's come to the average velocity and average speed. Everyone knows this formula. Okay. So now displacement is greater than equal to distance, and average velocity is also greater than equal to average speed. Remember this. So now let's come to important notes. If body, so guys, so if the wow, yaar, I have just written something and it came here. We will rub it. Okay, guys, no problem for that. In the PPT, it will be rubbed. So if the body cover an equal distance with V1, then what will be the average speed? Vertical. Dn or Nd by Nt. You should write Nd instead of Dn. Okay, guys. So write Nd by Nt. So write Nd by Nt. Now, if n is 2 and if n is equal to 2, I speak loud. If n is equal to 2, then it will be simple, 2v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. Now, this is your question. Solve this question and your time starts now. Hope it is yesterday timer only. I have just copied it. So do it. If you want 2 minutes, 3 minutes, anything, tell me in the chat box because max value till 1 minute per time 30 seconds I am giving you. It's easy, yeah, guys. We can tell in the 1 seconds. Yeah, we have recently discussed this. It will be sine 90. What will be sine 91? So displacement will be r. Where is displacement? First is displacement, so our displacement will be r. Elimination. With this now distance, so it is L by r. So pi by 2 is equal to L by r. Means L 30 seconds left. So yeah, so pi by 2. So L will be pi by 2r. So pi by 2r, where it is? So this is our answer. D option. And we have done in earlier also. So hope you all have solved it. So I will write in the description. Wait. Let the time will be finished. Then we will write. So let me write it now. So we know that the distance is equal to L by R. So then it will be what it will be theta. So theta angle will be pi by 2 because it is showing 90. So pi by 2 is equal to L by R. So R pi by 2 is equal to L. So let's find these two options now. Now guys, before answering this, we know that this cannot be the answer, this cannot to be the answer, this and this we have doubt. Okay, by elimination trick we have excluded this. So now let's find the displacements. So displacement will be 2r sine theta. Sine 90 is 1, so 2r by 2, 2 cancel, so it will be r. So we got r is not there, it is root 2r. So we will find, so we have find displacement as 2r by 2, 2 cancel, so it will be r. So option D is correct. So now let's come to the next question. Now it is the question of need to. Array, what is happening? What is this? Oh, I have cropped it. No problem. So this is your question, and your time starts now. It's 1 second. Yeah, it's your time starts now. It is a very easy question for you. Most of you will find it in 1 to 2 seconds because I have just told you the formula. It is the question that most of you have done in 2019. Simple question it is. Even I can tell now the answer. What it will the answer, we can solve it in the mind. So guys, before telling you, hope you have also the answer will be this. I have solved it in the mind only. 30 seconds left. Sorry for that noise. Not 10 seconds only left for you all. 10 seconds. Solid. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up. So guys, let's solve this. Now, a person is traveling in a straight line. So let he is traveling in this line, and the constant velocity v1 for certain distance x means that he divide x distance v2 1 and v2 for next equal distance, so it is also x v2 then the average velocity v is given by the relation. So how it can be given? How it can be given? We know total distance upon total time. So total distance is, what is x? It is given x. So we'll take total distance as, we have to find, what do we have to find? The average velocity now. So it will be v average is equal to, what will be equal to? It will be equal to, or guys you can remember or you can actually solve it. Let me tell you the Mentos method or easy trick. Okay, if you have any equal distance covered with different velocity and same, the answer will be 2 by v is equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 plus v2. Guys, you can solve with the formula of this that we have done in the previous slide. I have not told you. Oh, sorry for not telling you the formula. You should repeat, that is n distance in 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 till 1 by vn. It is answer. Okay, so you will solve this trick and you will know the answer. So before wasting time, let's come to the next question. So the options are, so your options are this. Time is also starting. Sorry for this. I am by mistake forgot to make this section as one each. I have taken this much only. Sorry, the answer is not this. Be careful. Be careful to solve this. Only 40 seconds left for you all to solve this. In this video, most there are 30-second left. 5 to 10 numericals. I think five. Five numbers. In the next video there will be more numericals, so be ready, because now I will take the questions from the paper itself. Okay, so let it be. Then let me. So only 10 seconds left for you all. So be ready. So only 3 seconds left. Now the time's up. So now how will you all solve it? So you will solve by, because it has given us a particle is there. It is giving us a particle is there that cover half of the total distance with speed. What is the speed? v1 given, and the rest derivative with speed v2. We have to find its average speed. So if they have given us the, let me have eraser first. If they have given us the, if they has given us the what is happening? Yeah, if they has given us this, so we know that VAV g means average speed. VAV g, we will say it will be 2v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. Yeah, most of you also know this formula. In the distance we used to have 2 s1 s2 upon s1 plus s2 if the distance is not given. Here distance is not given, that's why we have do this formula. If the distance was given, we will definitely we have done with it. So for proving you all this, let we solve by distance also, because I think the distance is given. Where it is given, let me tell you, it is here. It is here. Half distance means that half he had covered and half is left. So half distance he has to cover. Okay. And total distance with speed, half here. Not means two speeds, two distance. So it is easier for us. So what we can do is that total distance upon total, sorry, total speed is equal to distance upon that distance, not average speed. Hold on. Yeah. So what it will be? Average speed, we know that distance covered, we will find the time also. So average speed will be S total distance dt by ds. Sorry for that, guys. I was in a hurry, so sorry for that. So dt by what will be dt? Total distance is 1, because total distance is 1, half and half 2. Then if they covered 1 by 2 distance plus 1 by 2 distance, this is also distance, but to find time we need distance by v1 and v2. So it will be approx, I think, 1 by v1 by v2 and plus v2 by v2, sorry, v2 by v2, eh? 2v2 by, what is this? Sorry, it will not be this, it will be v2 by 2. It will be, sorry guys, what I have done. So it will be v2 by 2. Okay, so if you fill it, you will get 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Here I have, the answer will be 2 1, but to find this we have given speed only, that's why we have taken 1 as x in the form of x, because total distance, let it be. So because total distance is given to us, that's why we have taken this. So instead of that, we should take v1, v2 to prove this, because total distance can be only come by this only. So hope this is clear to you all. Now, yeah. So sorry for this. Yeah. So now comes to instantaneous velocities. There is nothing. Yesterday we have also discussed. If there is curve, if there is curve between s versus t, so tan theta will be ds by dt. Okay guys, tan theta is ds by dt. So now you have questions, okay, and it is of NEET 2016. And oh sorry guys, I am not displayed the options, so let me write the options: A, B, C, D. So first this space finish, then I will tell you, the answer. Let the time will happen. I'm being dehydrated. You have only 48 seconds left. Sorry, fast. Take full time to solve it. No problem. Take full time. Don't be that. I'm not. 30 seconds left. Solve it. Only 30 seconds left. Solve it fast. So only 15 seconds left for you all. And now last 5 seconds. And time is going to be up. So let me solve it. A very good stopper is there, okay? So I'm not having the page, so guys, please let me have the space once more. I'm just keeping. Let me have some pages. Yeah, I have taken one page and it will be well in one page only. And let me write what are the questions. Yeah. Oh, we have to come this page. Yeah. So this is so I have the timer. Yeah. So let's solve this here. What is our question? Our question is 80 plus bt square. So our question is, what is that? 80 plus bt square, and then ft minus t2 square is equal to ft minus t2 t2 square. T2 no? T2 T2 T2. Yeah. So bt square minus t2 square. Now, at what time the cars do the cars have same velocity? So we have to represent it. So let's represent. So first differentiate this. So it will be, if differentiation done by a plus 2b is equal to f minus 2t. Is it it? 2t? 2t? 2bt, sorry, 2bt is there. So now 2bt or ft is there, I'm not knowing. It is 2bt, I think, yeah. Yeah, 2bt. So nothing now. Now you all can do what it is, nothing there. So now a plus 2bt. So you can take this as a minus f. Sorry, a minus. Wow, what I have done. See, guys. No, sorry. A minus f or f minus 2t, it will become minus 2t minus 2t and minus 2bt. You can take minus 2t common if you want, and 1 minus b will be left over there. Hmm. So by solving this, you will get what you will get. See, this cannot be the answer. Now this a plus f cannot be there. A plus f cannot be there, so f minus is your right answer. Now, by according to options, if they what have they have done, let me tell you, we have changed these places. From here we should rub it, and we have done right, but they have done taking in their another position. That's why I have seen the options. So let me tell you what they have done. They have took this as here 2bt minus 2t, so it will become plus because here it came, and f 80 has become nothing, so it will be 0 now. So a has become o. 80 will become 0, so it will be f minus a. Now what they have done, 2t common, 2t common, b minus 1. Now to find t, because we have to find t only, because they have to tell the time, so t will be f minus a upon 2 times of b minus 1. So is our answer right? Is our answer right? Yes. So 1 plus b? 1 plus b? Yeah, 1 plus b. Sorry guys, it is plus 1 plus b, or b plus 1 is c. Sorry for that. Now let's come to VT curve. Now what is VT curve? Okay. So now, what is VT curve? We know that it is area under curve. Oh, sorry. It is area under curve. Under this curve, the area is coming. All this area. So can be defined. It what can be it be defined? What with what thing it can be defined this curve? AT curve we can say. AT curve. What you can define AT curve now? Tell me. What you can divide? Oh, we have come with the second. Sorry, guys. We have come with the second. I thought that I was doing right. That's why I thought that AT curve, why it is AT curve. So come with BT curve first. Then you will be able to understand AT curve. So I'm not saying that we cannot do this AT curve. AT curve is too easy, but first we should do. VT curve. So what it can be written? It can be written as dV by dt. Then it will what it will ds by dt or dv by dt? Tell me, ds by dt or dv by dt? Ds by dt. Good. So erase it here. It will become v is equal to ds by dt. Very good. So ds will be v dt. So by solving this, we will get integral of ds s1 to s2 now is equal to integral. Now we have to put integral v dt t2 so t2 t1 to t2 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 t2. What is this? Area under curve. So what is it? Is area under curve. Okay. So by solving this, what you will get? You will get ds can be written as s2 minus s1 is equal to what it can be written? What it can be written? It can be written as integral of v dt, that is area under curve t2 1 t2 2 t1 t2 1 from t to 2. So hope this is clear. Now same 80. So we can what we can do? A is equal to dv by dt. So v2 by 2, it is easy. I am directly write the answer. If you differentiate, what if you integrate, what you will get? Let me tell you. V2 minus v1 is equal to integral of a dt t2 to t1. Now guys, in the chat box, you will probably what you will tell me what this means v2 minus v1 and what this means s2 minus s1 means. Okay, I am not having of, that's why my writing is not good in this, but after a habit I will improve my writing. So now let's have the questions, and it is off, not as good. It is nothing, you have to just what do we solve it? Nothing is there, solve. It is very easy for you, I think. Is it very easy? Let me solve it. But a thing I am telling you, a hint that you have to differentiate this much only. Guys, I have done with the answer. It is the answer. Let me see the chat box, as I am not able to see the chat box. So let me see how is the chat box. What you are all are writing in the chat box. So what is happening? Yeah, so let me see what you all are writing. It is taking a lot of time. I think I'm not able to see. So hi Nikhil, I'm fine. And it's okay. So I am sorry Nikhil, I'm Akhil. Nikhil, same meaning. So my video is very well, I think. I am fine. So guys, please do this. Please do this, guys. Please, I request you all. Okay, guys, please do this. Then I will proceed. Please do this. Please, guys, please do this. Okay. So, guys, please do this. Like, share, and subscribe. And I am creating a highlight video for you all. Okay, this is a highlighted video. I have cancelled. I am cancelling now, but later on I will do. Please do like also. I think there are no likes. Yeah, what is the meaning then? No likes, just teaching. Guys, please do this. Okay. So before wasting time, so let's come to the question part. The timer.
30 second left.
Guys, I think from tomorrow I will be sending recorded videos to you. No need to come live because no one, what I should say, from tomorrow the videos will be recorded, and when we have a companion that we can go live, the all persons will come, then I will go live. Okay, guys. So so let me solve it. It will be thus differentiating this. You will get 0 plus 12t minus 12 minus 3t square. As 0 it is there, you can write 12 minus 3t square is equal to 0. 3t square is equal to 4. Sorry, it is 3t square. T square is equal to 4 and t will be equal to 2. So by putting the value of t is equal to 2, you will get 56. So your answer will be 56. So now let's come to this equation. Last topic, it is equation for of motion for uniform acceleration. So you have to learn, most of you know, v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u mu square plus 2as. So let's come to now is the particle. It is short rule. If now three important rules. So there are approx three important rules I have added. So let me dictate it. So highlighting. Let me take a laser pointer for this. Okay. Now a particle moving with, if the particle is moving with uniform acceleration from A to B along the straight line, has velocities v1 and v2 at an A and B. If C is in the midpoint, so this means that you have covered this distance with, okay, you have covered you have covered this with distance with x velocity. So what it will be, it will be that if you have covered this, so what will be, sorry for that, so what will be, x velocity will be covered same as that. Okay. So what will be your formula for this? V is equal to under root of, what is the formula? V is equal to under root of v1 square plus v2 square by 2. Okay. So v1 square plus v2 square by 2. Now second formula. Now if you apply some brakes, now in this formula, if you apply some brakes, your brakes come to rest after, not at that time. If you apply, if you don't apply some brakes now, if you apply some brakes, you feel that your car is going like this, and if you apply, it will stop after some distance. So if now think that if your speed is mu and your car stop with s seconds, now if you double the speed means n times, then what will your formula? Now how to find how much seconds? So it will be n square s, how much time you then second, and if this time your car will stop. Okay guys, so now if u and v are final velocity, so what will be the average velocity? V plus, what will be your average velocity? Now you have to find your average velocity, so it will be V plus U by 2, and displacement will be V plus U, oh sorry, it will be V plus U by 2 plus, not plus, it is into T. So time will be multiplied. So we have done today's work, so thank you all. Please do like, share and subscribe guys to my channel. It is a very humble request to all. Please do this guys, please. a request. It is motivation for me, guys. Please do this, please. Thank you.